Hi, nice to see you again. Could you kindly introduce yourself?
So my name is Valérie Hayez. I'm a technical specialist at DOW Silicones, and I'm here to speak today about carbon neutral silicones for facades.
Yeah, welcome to this interview. This is, as you know, for our second theme pack. We're really happy to have you on board. Why are you looking at carbon neutral silicones for facades?
Companies need to look at sustainability in a holistic way. So they need to understand how they can contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emission and embodied carbon. And when we started first this effort at DOW, it was not only under the push of government and global initiatives telling us to reduce carbon. It was also because for our facade business specifically, there are other incentives such as green building standardization, but also the push really from designers, from architects, from property developers to achieve a lower carbon in our buildings.
Cool. I agree with that, yeah. Looking at the facade supply chain, how can it contribute to a more sustainable design in order to reduce greenhouse gas emissions for the facade?
Sustainable design looks at different aspects. First, you have, of course, energy efficiency of the building envelope, and so the related operational carbon. And there, the performance features of our silicone, the durability, are giving really a proven value. Then there is another aspect which we call the material efficiency, the waste management, that's really gaining a lot of importance in design. And there the concept is about first trying to avoid using material, so reducing material usage, for example, favoring systems that have less aluminium in a facade. Then, of course, selecting materials with a low embodied carbon, such as carbon neutral silicones. And then always keeping in mind for your design to be fully sustainable, that end-of-life considerations are needed as well, and that you have to be able to disassemble, reuse materials, substrates before even thinking of recycling. And so in this article, we have tried to highlight how silicones can contribute to these aspects. And it's not obvious at first, but silicones really can achieve the design intent of an architect, respecting energy efficiency requirements and lowering operational carbon, all at the same time with an optimized material efficiency and the possibility to have an end-of-life disassembly.
Interesting. Finally, how can you trust the carbon neutrality offer?
There are indeed many ways to report efforts of a company to reduce the carbon emissions, embodied carbon of products and processes. And that can be confusing. So that's why at DOW we have decided to concentrate our efforts on being assessed by an independent third party according to the PAS 2060 Verified Carbon Neutrality Standard. So the LCAs that we create, for example, are being evaluated by this third party. Also, the way that we use our own internal supply chain offsets and the PAS 2060 also pushes you to continuously reduce every year your own carbon emissions. And all these efforts are really being followed, analyzed, and validated.
Fantastic. That was it for today, and looking forward to the huddle on Thursday. Thank you.
Thank you for the discussion. It was really a pleasure, and I look forward to seeing you all on Thursday. Bye-bye.